Welcome everyone, and thank you so much for joining in this very important update here on price action of Bitcoin. As we can see guys, things are looking very interesting for Bitcoin after forming an overlapping higher value CPR. Yes, for the month of Feb, we now have an overlapping higher value CPR, which usually results in an uptrend. But before this uptrend continues, there are some twists and turns which we are going to discuss in this video. But first thing first, like always, please destroy that like button, and to those individuals watching this for the first time, to hit that subscribe button. Thank you very much. Now, starting with this CPI indicator, our leading indicator for the month of Feb, we have formed an VCPR. VCPR means price is choosing a trend direction without touching any of these three trend lines, and in more than 90% of cases, what usually happens, Bitcoin gets attracted towards the CPR trend line and only after that chooses a direction. So in our case, since this is a VCPR, in the medium short term, there is a very high possibility of price testing the support from this Feb CPR in between 100,000 to 101,000 before choosing a direction. But in our case, since this is an overlapping higher value CPR which is being formed during uptrend, we are expecting a move like this. I mean, even after this shakeout, even after testing the support from this Feb CPR, since this is an overlapping higher value CPR, there is a very high possibility of price testing the first target for the month of Feb, which sits around $111,000. Yes guys, this monthly R1 line will be looked as our upcoming target if we manage to remain above 100,000. But if we fail to hold around the CPR trend line, our first target, our first bearish target according to this leading indicator, sits around 91,000. So bullish target 111,000, we will make a new all-time high. Bearish target around 91,000. So we just need the price for now to remain above the CPR trend line, because remaining above the CPR trend line means parallelly we are also going to follow this Bollinger Band breakout. I mean, Bollinger Band upper band usually gets broken during uptrend, and each and every time you can see whenever the price of Bitcoin was in an uptrend, broke the upper band from this Bollinger Band, which later on resulted in a bullish move. So in our case, this is also a breakout from upper band. So in the medium short term, as you can see, we are holding the support from this basis line or the center line, which is acting as additional support along with this CPR indicator. So what I'm trying to pinpoint here is that any sort of a pullback, please do not worry. Along with this Bollinger Band, we also have support from this Williams alligator indicator, and this Williams alligator indicator is also a bullish Williams alligator indicator. And why? Because we know during uptrend, whenever the price of Bitcoin has started with this bullish move, we have always seen this green line to the downside appearing at the top here, appearing at the top. You can see green line appearing at the top after a crossover, and blue line at the bottom. So each and every time whenever we have seen this green line appearing at the top, blue line at the bottom, it has resulted in a bullish move, and pullback around that area or pullback during that time has given us a buying opportunity. So in our case, along with this Bollinger Band, along with this CPI indicator, we have additional support from this Williams alligator indicator. So remaining above 100,000 means a pullback will be just a temporary pullback, and Bitcoin after that is expected to continue higher, because we are also following this ascending triangle scenario, a bullish continuation scenario. So first we are expecting a test around this 100,000 one more time, and then a rally in this manner. So first there might be a liquidity hunt, over leverage getting liquidated, and only after that Bitcoin to follow this ascending triangle, a bullish continuation pattern, which will bring the price of Bitcoin to make a new all-time high. Because we are aware guys, beside this bullish continuation pattern, we also have another continuation, higher highs, higher lows. But in this higher highs, higher lows, we are following a rising channel, and a rising channel is a bearish continuation pattern. But we have said before this bearish continuation even starts playing out, first there could be a move, a bullish move around the upper trend line, which could bring the price of Bitcoin easily around 120, 125,000 and only after that we are expecting an actual ABC reversal type of formation playing out. But until then, any sort of a pullback, as you can see, we have extremely important support lying for Bitcoin above 100,000, the lower trend line. Just like from this past price action, you can see it acted as support. Lower trend line from this ascending triangle acting as support. Williams alligator indicator acting as support. You can see Williams alligator indicator acting as support. Bollinger band, the basis line acting as support, and parallelly even the support from the CPR indicator. And beside this example, even this descending channel, another bullish continuation pattern, any sort of a pullback in the medium short term, but price remaining above 100,000 means a great buying opportunity, and price after that could be following this another bullish continuation pattern known as descending channel, because we know this descending channel also lines up perfectly with another bearish continuation just like here. I mean, we have said Bitcoin could show a move, a bullish move before starting with a ABC reversal, and if this plays out, I mean, first getting attracted towards the upper trend line just like here from the past price action before starting with a bearish move, then you can see even this right angle broadening top pattern will play out parallelly. I mean, after some weakness, Bitcoin could be heading towards to test a support, or sorry, resistance from this upper trend line, and then a continuation in this manner. I mean, just like as shown in an example, after testing the upper band from this right angle broadening top pattern, we could be starting with an actual corrective move. But before this corrective move plays out, we are expecting a bullish continuation. Price of Bitcoin heading towards this 120, 125,000, and only after that a reversal in this manner. So even if the price starts showing weakness but manages to remain above 100,000, that will be just a temporary pullback, and price of Bitcoin after that is expected to make a new all-time high, because it's not just only this weekly time frame, daily time frame pointing us bullishness for the upcoming days, but even in a monthly time frame. I mean, according to this Fibonacci breakout, each and every time whenever the price of Bitcoin has overcome the resistance from this 0.5.618 Fibonacci line, it has resulted in a very, very bullish move. I mean, if you look at this past price action, whenever the price of Bitcoin overcame the resistance from this 0.5.618 Fibonacci line, it has been very, very bullish move for Bitcoin. So in our case, since the price of Bitcoin has already overcome the resistance from this 0.5.618 Fibonacci line, you can see it even came back for a retest. Now, just like from this past price action, we are expecting this bullish continuation to continue. And if this bullish continuation plays out, then you can see, guys, just like what I showed you with this falling wedge, a bullish breakout, just like what I showed you with this right angle broadening top pattern along with this descending channel breakout, first there could be a bullish move. I mean, Bitcoin could be getting attracted around this 120, 125,000, and only after that to start with another continuation in this manner. So before expecting a reversal, ABC reversal from 88th wave, first we are expecting a bullish move around 120, 125,000, and only after that Bitcoin to show weakness and any sort of a pullback, but Bitcoin remaining above 100,000 will be giving us a buying opportunity. So these were some of the quick updates that I wanted to share with you in this video. If you enjoyed my work, then please, guys, do not hesitate to destroy that like button, and to those individuals watching this for the first time, to hit that subscribe button. And by saying this, I'm signing out. Until next time, bye bye.